They say that the man where they put this fire concerning Igbo king made the Ghanaians youth to go to attack the Igbos or the Nigerians at large where they live for inside Ghana. They say the man don't finally reveal himself. Now be this man wey una dey see for this picture wey near the Igbo king. Now be the politician who wan use this thing where they trend now. They get popularity and also position in Ghana. My people, I go play this video. May you hear say most of these things where they talk na pure rumor. Watch the video before we go come back, come continue. But not forget say they say Kasala don burst for inside Bayelsa. As we dey talk right now, we go come there later, come tell una wetin happen and bring video. Stay tuned.
Here on television. Yeah, Hassan, go on, please.
Tell him that he should stop misleading Ghanaians.
Why is he misleading Ghanaians? You came and made allegations against the Eze that he is trafficking women and all that. They say it's not true.
That is what they want to say. But you see, even they said that the man has not said that he has. That the man said that he did not acquire land.
Yes, that's what they said.
I have sent you a video on your WhatsApp. Check your WhatsApp. You will see that on the WhatsApp, the man himself has said. That's what I'm saying. Check your video.
He himself has said he has land. But yes, again, Hassan, they said the arrest that you told us about was just an invitation.
It was an invitation by BNI, but he was arrested by national security. He doesn't even know what he's talking about.
They said it's a lie. They said it's a lie.
Ask him whether he was not detained.
For how long?
I have videos for the 24 hours. Ask him.
He spent overnight in the BNI place.
Yes, of course, I have videos. I can send them to you.
Please send it.
Yeah.
Come down.
Yes,
okay.
Ask him, how can you invite somebody and detain him? What is that kind of invitation? That is what I'm telling you. I am sending you a video of him being detained.
Okay, so as far as you are concerned, where are we now? Because Honorable Foreign Minister met with them.
Now, where we are is now, he should be careful of what he's saying so that he can move out of that room alive. He should stop lying.
Out of which room?
Where you are now.
In my studio?
Careful. Yes, he should be very careful.
Oh, there are a lot of security here. Oh, all my security people outside.
We don't care about that. He should stop misbehaving there.
But that's a threat.
Please.
You are threatening them.
That is not a threat.
You are threatening them, Hassan. You are threatening.
Listen to me.
I'm listening.
When you come and lie and say that your chief did not say that he has land, and on the video, it's there. I have sent you a video. When the chief said he bought 50 acres of land. He said he bought 50 acres of land. Today, he said he did not buy land.
Okay, but if we said he bought land, and the man who has the land, if he says he didn't buy land, should we not leave it there?
These Nigerians come and lie anyhow and think that you can come and sit down there and behave as if this country is for you. What do you mean? You people should be very careful in this country. You cannot sit down and talk as if this country is yours.
Hassan, you are very angry. Sorry.
I am very angry because of the way they are talking there. What do you mean? The man came here and said he's a king. He's not a king in Ghana.
He has agreed. He's not a king in Ghana. He's a leader of the Igbos.
But he was parading himself as a king.
Not anymore. He won't do that again.
Why can't you parade himself?
Hassan, hold it. Let me listen to the journalist. Hold on.
No,
yes, talk. Hassan, hold on. Talk.
Hassan, whatever you are doing, you are saying, you are going about it, I think you have to try consciously because it's not right, it's not fair. This is a human being who's working in Ghana here. He have a family here. The wife is a Ghanaian. The children are living here in Ghana. Initially, the man was calling himself king. At the blind side of the law, he didn't know that you cannot call yourself Eze because the king of the Igbo community in Ghana. Upon further consultation and cross-check, we've now understood that you cannot be a king in Ghana. The man of swallowed the Peter Coin is calling himself now the leader of the Igbo community in Ghana. I thought we should lie the sleeping dogs to lie. You cannot say that the man was arrested. How can you arrest somebody when you invited a person?
I agree with that, Hassan. Sleeping dogs should lie.
Of course, you have to make progress. You have to move on from this one.
You see, if the man comes...
I have so much respect for Hassan Yariga. You shouldn't be doing this.
He did not say that...
Hassan Yariga shouldn't be doing this. Whatever you are doing, you should have a backup document. Do you have documents?
He did not say it. But meanwhile, he said it.
Do you have documents to back what you're saying?
So you play the video.
Let us.
Hassan Yariga, don't do this. Don't do this at all. Don't do this.
Sorry, hold on.
Please, let us discuss.
Wait.
Why are you making it look like the man is a threat to national security?
I want to talk to him.
You want to talk to him directly?
Please, relax.
You want to talk to him directly?
Yes, I want
Hassan,
to talk to him.
I think that your anger is justified. However,
cool down.
The man says that
Let me-
I am
please,
not
let me
taking
clear-
land.
If I was calling myself
Wait.
king yesterday,
I want to clear it.
Hold on,
Relax.
calm down. If I was calling myself king yesterday, I am not calling myself king today.
Yes,
You
yes.
So
cannot
you
say
should
that.
move on from that.
No, you cannot say that. Listen,
Because it's Herdsmen.
listen, my friend.
Oh, hold
Listen.
on. Don't get
Please.
angry. Okay.
Listen.
Okay, talk to Hassan.
I think we'll
Honorable.
do this after the show.
No, it's
Honorable. Thank you very much. Please calm your mind down. I think we should allow brotherly love to continue. Ghana and Nigeria are one big family. And what is going on is a misconception and misinformation. I can understand your concerns.
You are on the TV that
Excuse
you
me,
went to
please.
school
Let
in
me
Nigeria. You said it here on
let
the
me
show.
talk.
did.
You went to school in Nigeria.
You are interrupting.
And you know how
You are
Nigeria
interrupting
is.
me.
Hold it.
Please.
Sorry, I beg
You are
you.
interrupting me. Please,
Please,
I
Chief,
don't.
finish with him. Is he on? Yeah.
Yes, sir. So, my brother, you see, what is flying on the social media are not true. I can assure you that this is a sponsored blackmail, and some people,
No, it's important. Viewers must hear it.
some people are not true. I can assure you that this is a sponsored blackmail, and some people,
No, it's important. Viewers must hear it.
some people want to destroy somebody's reputation. I know you are a very good politician, and you have your own reputation to protect. If tomorrow you begin to hear on social media things that you never did and things that you never imagined, or what you don't plan to do, that people are faking it all over the place against your name, I don't think you will be happy. What happened in this issue, I know that you said there is a video where Igbo said he have acquired 50 acres of land. Yes, there is a video. If you play that video from the beginning to the end, you will then understand exactly what he was saying there. You know, a week after he had an encounter with the Ningo Pram chief, where this land was offered to him, with all the agreement made, he believed within himself that we have acquired that land. That was in 2013. If you check that video, his picture on that video and his picture of today, you will know it's an old video. He was much younger then. So 1 week after that encounter with Pram chief, where this land issue was discussed, he had a TV interview, a Crystal TV interview. And they asked him, you know, the person interviewing him asked him, what, now you have been made a chief over your people, Igbos living in Ghana, what is your plan? What do you plan to do for your people? So excitedly, he said, we have acquired 50 acres of land. But as a matter of fact, there was no transaction done on this very particular land issue. Please, as a senior citizen of Ghana, I want you to go deep down to investigate this matter and find out if there was, you are interrupting me, please, to find out if there was a transaction of this very particular land, my brother. So please, don't take this as a serious matter, because we might be misleading our youth on this very matter. Let's try to do further investigation. The Ningo Pram is just somewhere by the corner. We can quickly do our fact findings to be sure that if this happened truly or not. There was never a land acquired.
Okay.
To be very honest, my dear
phone,
brother. Please.
Yes. So, Hassan, is it getting better?
Now let me talk to you.
Yes, he can hear
All
you.
right. Okay. I also want to let them understand that we in Ghana here, we are not against foreigners coming in Ghana. But we have a problem when people think that our sovereignty is theirs. We are trying as much as possible to protect our lands and to make sure that Ghana and Ghanaians live in peace and in harmony. Now, I have not made a video telling you that Pram chief or the chief of... We in Ghana here, we are not against foreigners coming in Ghana. But we have a problem when people think that our sovereignty is theirs. We are trying as much as possible to protect our lands and to make sure that Ghana and Ghanaians live in peace and in harmony. Now, I have not made a video telling you that Pram chief or the chief of Igbos got land. They made a video to say that they got land and they are going to build an Igbo kingdom. If you come out and say that video is not true and it's not, you did not do it, or it was in 2030, but you made that video. We did not make that video for you.
Yeah, he says that they moved beyond that. He said he just said it out of excitement.
No. I am coming. In 2017 again, they repeated the same video, saying that they were going to build another kingdom. It is not me who has come to put words in their mouth, or Ghanaians who have come to put words in their mouth. You are a settler in Ghana. We agree that you are a settler. Look, we don't have problems with Igbos. We don't, what do you call it, Yorubas. We don't have problems with Hausas. We don't have problems with Sambarama. We don't have problems with anybody. But when you make your own legal statement, and then you now come and say, it is not true, you did not make it, you did not buy it, you did not get it. Who did it? We did not do it.
Okay, so we can move beyond that. So you can accept as an apology or something like that, that they didn't do that.
Never apologize to Sam George, and then Sam George is coming out to tell Ghanaians that we should forget it, and we are brothers. Of course we are brothers, but we are brothers not in crime. We are brothers in good shape. If you want to take what belongs to us, we will not agree.
That's okay.
The man you just heard, his voice is Hassan, which is the man where they propagate or fueling this Igbo king in Ghana, according to the Ghanaian people. So he have had his own side and had the cabinet of the Igbo Igbo in Ghana side also. So leave your own comment in comment section and share the video. My people, let us jump inside the Bayelsa as youth rise against the Fulani herdsmen where they buy people for inside bush. They say the soldiers stop them from doing so. They never talk. Now they say the soldiers don't open krakra into their body. Start, they release their gun, everything go up. May they scare the youth come out. But the answer is why. People will come by villagers and the villagers refuse them. Now they run, the people who will come by, you run to the soldiers, and soldiers, they defend them. Nigeria, pray may Nigeria not happen to you, because now the worst thing will go happen to you. Let's watch the video before we come back and continue.
The whole world here, we are trying to hold our youth body. Our youth body is trying to hold our boys' beds. The Hausa community start the attack on us. We have no option than to repel back. The whole world here. Soldiers are shooting on us. Soldiers are shooting on us. Thunder fire you! Soldiers are shooting on us. soldiers are shooting at us.
So nothing anymore.
Eh?
Nothing.
No. Okay.
Hey! This is not how to approach it. This is not how to approach it. You mad? This is not how to approach it. This is not how to approach it. You mad? You must approach it. This is not how to approach it. Stand up.